Uh-oh. Your wheels.
It's wheel slipping. So you're trained down?
Let me see. Let me take a look.
It's wheel slipping.
Wheels slipping. I'm hearing the wheels. Look at it.
Yeah, I think it's...
Is it slipping? Is it slipping because of the cars?
No, I think one of them's stuck.
Oh no. Your train's...
Alright. Come on, buddy. Come on, dig.
Push him, push.
Right, more oomph, please.
Give him a push. Oh my goodness.
Nope, we're gonna drag him out. Hold on. Can you switch directions and push back down the hill, please?
Me?
No.
I'm...
We're gonna need to we'll take the engine off, we'll let the engine run by itself, and then we'll put the cars back up later.
Yeah, is it
Or actually, we'll take a car off.
because I remember when I was at the Colfax train show, and the steam train's wheels were slipping, and it had a lot of cars on it.
Alright, so what I want you to do is back down the hill a bit.
Just had to pull the
and
sand
then
in.
we'll take a car off, and you should be able to make the hill.
Is anybody gonna back up onto the behind station truck?
You're clear.
I'm waiting.
You can just do what you please.
Oh.
Oh, so
is Max's train on the red line?
Yeah.
Is it derailed?
Right, so back down.
Well,
As far as
there's...
you can go.
What about the
So
center
close
face
to him
flicker
as
that has like
you
10
feel,
cars?
and then we'll
Isn't that
switch
blocking my
directions
way?
and go up the hill with speed, alright?
This is not PSR. This is
Precision
no.
Scheduled Railroad.
No, this is
Don't
CSR.
question it.
I know.
Alright, switch directions.
Oh, what happened there?
Don't worry, it's okay. It's alright.
Oh no.
Surprised.
One of the coaches. Oh no. Well, that was not good. Yeah. Jack is right in front of me. And
Boom. Southern.
Yes.
Maybe we should fix it. Let's go to the side of it.
oh, your coaches.
Well, it's not coaches.
I think I can.
I think I can.
You're going at max speed. Alright.
Sorry about that.
You gotta open up the gap with that.
But you're trying to get away from me.
Thank you.
He has loved friends since he was a little boy.
Yep,
Oh.
same.
So
Same.
it's the same.
Oh, you had a derailment, Max.
Same thing.
Yeah, we did
Ah.
the train thing with friends.
Oh, no,
About 6 months. And
Yeah.
we went
So
from
you put 87 of those.
You switched it to
And
sale.
that's how big
And so
real
he
estate.
knows he's done it all over the place, but they've done so much with this place. It's amazing.
That's
and,
good.
and I'm so grateful for people like
It's-
your husband.
Oh, it's almost a
Give
track
my son
drift.
somewhere to go.
Oh, wow.
You know what I mean?
I'm going well.
Huh?
Not too bad.
Yeah.
I got my train behind. My train's behind you. Whoa, you derailed. Oh no. Max, your train had derailed. Oh no.
Oh my gosh. Quit it. Oh my gosh, stop derailing.
Oh, derailment. And its wheels are slipping.
I have an idea.
Wait, never mind. I know. Reset here. Have a seat, Skip, if you need to sit.
A treat to talk to you guys. Thank you so much. And I'm Anna, by the way, and you're Wayne?
Yeah.
Okay. Rocket Club, but this hobby you keep all your fingers.
Oh, and they had a derail. Look at it bounce. There we go.
Oh no.
Oh, fail.
Stop it.
Its wheels are slipping.
This one.
Keep it lifted straight up.
You press this one when it runs like that, right? Yeah. Right? Don't run on that fast again, right?
Things happen, Riley.
Slow down your
I am.
Yeah, don't run these over like 80, okay? Because the track isn't good enough at that point. Alright? You're fine. You're on the rails.
We're on the tracks.
Yeah, he's fine.
Okay.
So just go.
Oh, the tender's off the tracks. Okay, you're back. He's back on track, huh?
So
We're back on track.
Don't go above 80, alright?
Let's go. We're back on track. Give it a spin. You knows how that works. Sometimes. Okay, and don't. Hey, Mark. Okay, don't forget. What do you think? Okay, you're back on track, huh? Yeah, give it a spin. There you go. Got your lights. Ah! Its wheels are slipping. Fail. Now one of the coaches are off the tracks.
Yeah, the engine's fine.
Whoa.
There you go.
Alright, stop.
The back car's not.
There you go.
There you go. No, this is wireless.
No, hold on. That's fine. That's fine. So, the car's still off. Alright. So fix that.
There you go.
Okay, so you're good there. Alright, so because this one stops funny, you have to press this twice, and then press yes, okay? So this, when you put it to 0, it still rolls for a little while, okay? So when you have a derailment, you have to press that one, alright?
Okay, we're back on track. Give it a spin.
Alright. I did some running, so we're ready to go if you want to.
Are you loaded already?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh, you're in there? You need to get loaded?
No, that's not.
You need to talk to them about miniature
Miniature underwear?
whatever it's called. Thank you. Just give me a minute and get yourself corrected.
What are you doing?
Are these kids set?
I'm trying to put it into a sighting.
So I can pass?
Mm-hmm.
Are you talking about the one at your old house? Is that Sadie?
Ah, it's stuck. Its wheels are slipping again. It's stuck on the switch. It's coupler. Fail.
Yeah. Guys. Alright, so I'm going to be leaving. The old chap Wayne is going to be in charge, but don't run either of your trains above 80, okay? So above the 80 speed step. Because the track is not good enough for you to run faster than that, alright?
Uh-oh.
RRMRA. Got some shiny F units in the yard.
Yeah. Oh no. Fail. What is going on?